Are you bored of doing lessons? This video will show you how you install Duolingo Pro. As you can see, I don't have anything. Let's change that. Open a new tab. Search Chrome extensions. Now search for an extension called Tampermonkey. Click the first result.
Then, click the Add to Browser name.
Close the tab. Open a new tab. Search Greasy Fork. Click the first result. Now search up Duolingo Pro. Click the first one. Click Install this script. Click Install. Just close the tab. Make sure that you have the hack installed. Click the three dots on the top right, then hover over Extensions and click Manage Extensions. It will open this page. Toggle Developer Mode on the top right. And refresh the page. Currently, I have 0 XP. I'm going to add some. I have received 30,000 XP. Just refresh the page. The developers are adding the GEMS function soon. Just wait a bit. As you can see, I have one streak freeze. I am going to add one more for free. Since I have a small streak, I'm just gonna add a few. As you can see, there's a legacy button. It's used for doing lessons on its own.
El niño, el hombre, la niña, la mujer, el niño, una mujer, un hombre.
You can click the blue button on the left to make it do infinite lessons.
Tú eres José, tú eres. Ella es. Él es un. Ella es. Tú eres. El joven Juan Coleman. El padre.
As you can see, it does another lesson. At the bottom, you can pause Auto Solver.
Yo bebo agua.
The yellow Solve button solves the question.
Tú
Click Solve All to activate Auto Solver again.
Yo bebo. La mujer.